Hi, Annegret.
Hi, Stefan.
We met, I believe it was at Software Architecture Summit
Exactly,
last
yeah.
year, where you did a workshop on what I thought was a very interesting topic. You're modeling software and then you're feeding that model into an AI to create, let me call it a skeleton.
Exactly.
Is that what you're doing? And then we were very happy to get you to attend ComoCamp and do a similar workshop yesterday at our introduction day. So what's your current state of working this process with AI support?
As is the AI support, I think still works very, very well when you have a more or less full model picture out of event storming, domain storytelling, with a domain model behind, etc., then it works really well. You can do an async API, you can do an open API. We did it even here, and it works really, really well. We even try to put it further. Yeah. So how, for example, you have an event storming result, and now you want to know the bounded context. And you can really use the AI, so you give the AI the picture again, and then the AI can come up with ideas about the bounded context. As always, you need to be careful about it. It's not an ideal solution, obviously,
Yeah.
but it's in the same manner as I said before for the API definitions. It's some kind of a skeleton you can use, and you can argue about it. And for me, it's even a good starting point, because often when I say in workshop, please let us define together the bounded context, then is silence in the room. Yeah. And to ask first the AI, then everyone said, no, not like that. Please don't do it. Yeah. And therefore I like that AI is some kind of an overvalued workshop attendee.
Okay. So it obviously saves you time, but
Yep.
doesn't that come at the cost of you have a model now or you have a skeleton and you don't have any people that are kind of familiar with the thing? Or do you think that's what the collaborative modeling part
As
brings?
I think the collaborative modeling part is always quite necessary, and no AI can substitute it. Definitely not. I think you can use the AIs as some kind of assistance, even in the collaborative modeling part. For example, for a certain quality assurance, have we forgotten something, or those questions to be answered? It's definitely not some kind that the AI can do decisions. That is up to the humans and the workshop attendees.
Okay.
Yeah, in the end, you have to decide. And but the AI can assist you, and I think that is where we need even to think in future about when we have the collaborative modeling. Not only with a human touch, yeah, to have some kind of an artificial touch to it, which can assist you, yeah, like a speed limiter in your car can assist you. Yeah? That is for me the assistance of the AI in the collaborative modeling.
So it sounds like you don't even expect the AIs in a near or not so near future to be trustworthy enough to basically create the solution and then we can ship it?
It depends what you understand with creates a solution. Yeah, I definitely think that we need to create the solution because only we are able to ask the right questions. Yeah, we did, for example, some kind of business model canvas, yeah, with AI, and for known business it's quite well, because there are a lot of publishing around, and you can simply use it, and I use it, those published papers out of it. But when you want to have a new business, then hopefully the AI does not know about it because it's in your business and you want to make money out of it.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and that is exactly where for me is a difference. It's a subtle difference. It's not so obvious often. Yeah, but I think when we come up with new ideas, when we want to be creative, then that is the human part. But it's formal to put one thing to just another language, might it be put in picture to a YAML also, that is part of the AI.
Okay. Thanks so much for sharing your insights with us, with the ComoCamp and with the viewers.
Thank you very much. It
Do you
was
have-
such a fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any advice for the viewers with regards to ComoCamp 2026?
Yeah, come to ComoCamp. You can learn a lot, you have a lot of fun, and it's quite exhausting, but you learn a lot and it's really worth it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.